welcome back to my channel. I can still hear him. Welcome guys back to my channel. You know who it is, your boy. And oh my god, Lauren. So before I was abruptly interrupted or whatever, I have a special guest. Say your name.
Lauren.
Say your name louder.
No.
Yes. Say it louder. Oh my god. Since she wants to be so shy, her name is Lauren. My best bitch. Yes. Love her so much.
Don't pat my head. I'm that bitch.
Okay, so as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing makeup on my friends. And it will be the first time that I will be doing this. So we have all this right here. Yes, all this.
Okay, why is there nail polish in that, first of all?
Yeah, why? Okay.
Do you need me to tell you what it is?
Most likely, yeah. Oh, this is powder.
No,
Highlighting
it's not.
powder.
It's just highlight.
Highlighting powder.
It's broken, so be careful.
So we're going to use that too. This is foundation. I can tell. Don't know what that is. Okay,
That's
so.
lip gloss.
Okay, so I believe. Okay, here go your little eggs. Watch this one. Okay.
Beauty blenders.
Yes, eggs. Yeah. So I believe we start off with the foundation, right? You sure? Okay.
Okay. It's too.
So we're gonna start off with the foundation. Whatever this bullshit is. So yeah. Oh. Thought you were supposed to have a little thingy in it.
Do you want me to go get the other one? That's better.
Does it have the sticky thing? Okay, go get it. So my mistake. We're gonna use this first. This primer. So I just put like dabs right. Put a dab right there. Is that good enough? Dab?
Yes.
Okay. Good enough?
Just go by
You
it.
look like you have pus in your face. Okay. Okay. Stop moving. Ooh. Can't move. You have pus everywhere. Okay. Do I use my finger first?
Yes, you just rub it in like lotion. I'm not going to tell you no more.
Okay. So now to the foundation.
Okay, you don't rub it in.
Oh, that's the wrong foundation. This one, sorry. It's this kind. Okay. We should get all of that. Okay. Now we're gonna use this egg to blend things in. Wow, she looks like a Native American right now. Okay. So. Yes, girl. You look pale as hell. I'm just tired. How y'all do this? We're back. So. To blend this in. I'm not.
No, use.
Okay.
Don't rub it.
Oh. Thank you for your help. Sorry, I won't go there. Okay, add more, add more, add more. What are you saying under your breath? So we're gonna do the what's this? Oh, that's the spray for the finishing touch. This is lip gloss. What is this?
Lip gloss.
Oh my god. Lip gloss.
That's not lip gloss.
What is this?
That's mascara. You eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow first? Okay, cool.
This is powder.
Okay. Oh, okay, so I got the stick. Okay. What colors do you want? Oh. No, we're gonna use the stick to be
that's
safe.
for like glitter.
Oh. Well. Okay. So now we got the palettes. We have a LA Colors Flirty. We'll have to make her very, very flirty today. So
You pick.
I should probably do a voiceover for this actually. So let me see.
That's no, that's not. Do you want me to pick out all the eye brushes?
Eye brushes.
Like the brushes you use on your eyes.
Oh yeah. And what you do? And I need an eyebrow brush too. You have one of those eyebrow things?
It's in the bathroom.
Okay. And then this, I can use this on your eyebrow?
That's what's better.
Oh, I need one for your eyebrow. So, we finally got the brushes that we're going to use. I'm just going to use this one because I like how it looks. Put all these back. Then, I'm going to use pink. Okay, close your eye. I believe they're supposed to color one way. I think you're supposed to put something on before you put this one. I think so.
I don't have it.
Oh, that you're supposed to put on. I'm brushing too hard. Cool.
Cool.
Okay, wow. Good color. You're almost going. Turn this way, Butterflies. Thank you very much. This is like the worst reviewed makeup artist. Purple right here. Get your eye over here. I think this brush is working. And if it is, it's barely working. Okay.
You were destroying my palette.
No, I am not. I'm not destroying it. Pink.
Thanks.
Because it's blowing all around your face. Like, it's not even on your face.
Okay, so when that happens, when you do that, when you get the color,
Mm-hmm.
the fuck is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
You can't be cursing on my channel. I'm not trying to get demonetized.
Okay, when you do it like that, or whatever, go like that and it comes off.
Oh.
Not all of it, but like. Okay, so it'll fall down here.
There you go. Mascara.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Closure? I know.
You don't close your eyes.
Yeah, I know like that. And now some of the colors on top of your eye. Stop moving your eye. Mascara's drying up.
Use a different. Where did you put all my stuff?
I don't know where the other one went. Okay. Here it is. That sound. Boom, 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 pow. Now this one actually giving some color. Yes, baby girl. You're completely baby girl late. Oh God, you're making me get it everywhere because you keep on moving your eye.
I'm not moving my eye.
You're moving your eyelashes, dude.
No, I'm not. What time is it? Yeah, 2 more hours.
Now show the camera what I have so far. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, blush. Okay. Okay. Now that's what this is for. Yes. Yes, we see I made a mistake right there. Oh my God, you're blending it in. Okay, let's get... Okay, do the fish face.
It's blush, child. You don't do fish face.
Yes, you do.
You're thinking of contour. Yeah.
Isn't that what this one's contour?
Contour's right here. Please do not put contour on my face.
Why?
I'm gonna look burnt.
I believe I put the contour on first and then this. This looks like it's not working yet. I only worked on this side. Barely. Okay, now the other face.
You're using the wrong brush.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Come back here. No. That was wrong placement, but we're gonna have to do.
My eyelashes are cute.
Yes, I know. That's the only cute thing on there because I fucked you up.
Yeah, I see that.
I wonder if the contour can fix up this. You look fucking stupid. Stop moving your eye like that. You're scaring me because you look like you're dying. It's clearing up, so I need to put more contour in your face. This be looking so much easier in the videos.
You think makeup's hard?
Yes, I do.
Quit putting fucking foundation on my face.
That's foundation. Oh, this the contour.
Are you... You just put foundation back all over my face.
Actually, for this part, I actually need to use a smaller brush, actually. I need to use one of these. Move your hair out the way. Other face.
Other side.
Other face. Yeah. I think I messed up that side, but this side's still cute though. Okay. Now what's this?
Powder. You should have put that on, like,
Before everything? Yeah. Why didn't you say anything?
Because if you put this on now, it's just gonna cover up everything.
Oh, okay. So it'll cover up the black eyes that I gave you. Ugly ass. Come on. Come here. I need to cover up the black eyes. I need to cover up your black eyes, dude. See, it would be much better if I was covering up somebody whooping your ugly ass. Now I will be able to clear that up. No, this is making it worse. Oh God. Girl, I know you can see with one eyeball. Look at me. Look in the mirror.
I'll go find some liquid eyeliner.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. I fucking flunked. What the fuck?